Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this video lecture, I'm gonna teach you for 10 basic civil engineering knowledge, which is very helpful for you people if you are working on construction site, if you are studying, even if you are not a civil engineer. So these important 10 basics can help you. So if you are new on this channel, so you may subscribe this channel. If you are already subscribed to the channel, so you may like this video because this is very interesting for you people. Let's get started, guys. First of all, as you can see here, the minimum diameter of steel bar used in column, that is 6 millimeter. So let me guide you in detail. That is 12 millimeter, sorry, not 6 millimeter. Guys, you can see here, this is our CC column. Inside this, suppose we have 4 numbers of steel rods. So each longitudinal bar's dia should be not less than 12 millimeter because minimum is in column, that is 12 millimeter. This is the first important point. Okay, if you want to build your house, if that is residential building or commercial building, but the minimum diameter of longitudinal bar in column is 12 millimeter. The next one is main bar and slab should be placed at the bottom. How? Suppose this is RCC slab. Okay, and here I am placing main bars. These are, guys, main bars. So the main bars should be provided at the bottom. So don't provide distribution bars. This is distribution bar. So first of all, the main bars should be placed. On the top of this, you should provide distribution bars because main bars can support the distribution bars load. Okay. Next, guys, in structure of door and window frames, in the construction of door and window frames, the mortar ratio should be 1/3 or 1/3. As you can see, guys, here this is elevation of the, suppose this is a bedroom, so here this is a door and this is a window. So when you are fixing the frames for door and windows, suppose here this is frame, guys. When you are fixing the frames, so we can fix the frames by cement mortar. So the ratio of the cement mortar should not be more than 1/3. 1 part cement and 3 parts sand. Okay, because so you should use the proper and the strengthful mortar here. That's why, because if you are using 1:5 or 1:6, so it cannot work. So it cannot give you the proper result. So therefore, the ratio should not be more than 1/3 or 1/3. The next one, guys, the plinth level of residential building, the plinth level of residential building from the ground level should not be less than 1 feet and 6 inches or 18 inches. Guys, you can see here, suppose here, this is building. Okay. So here, guys, this is plinth level, this one. This is plinth level. So the plinth level, because here this is ground level, this one, GL, and this is PL, plinth level. So from the ground level, the plinth level or the height of the building should be above the ground level up to minimum 18 inches. Okay, don't provide directly on the top of the ground level. That's why, because here we have the rainy water. Okay, so many things you can consider. There are the road level, etc. It should be minimum 18 inches, but I'm recommending you, normally you can use up to, it's depend on the location of any building, but normally you can keep 2 feet height from the ground level. That is called plinth level. The next one is, guys, you can see height of parapet wall should be 1 meter. Parapet wall you can use on the top of the chaja or the cantilever slab or at the front side of the door and windows, etc. Next, plastering of the wall, the ratio of mortar should not be more than 1/5. As I discussed here, that in the construction of door and window frame and mortar ratio should be 1/3 when you are fixing the door and windows frames. But for normal residential building, you can say the mortar should not be more than 1:5. So 1 part cement, 5 parts sand. Okay, use M15 grade of concrete for construction of floors. Okay, which ratio is 1:2:4 for construction of floors. So used M15 grade concrete. Okay. The next one, for residential building, width of main gate, so which you can use for the entrance of car, etc. So the main gate should not be less than 10 feet for normal residential building. This is the minimum width of main gate, but you can use 12 feet, 14 feet, 15 feet. It's depend on the location, or it's also depend on the street, etc. Next, for residential building, length of the cantilever beam should not be more than 3 feet. Okay. So sometimes we are required to extend the beam or to extend the slab. So the slab is constructed on the top of the floor beam. So therefore our floor beam, or you can say cantilever beam. So the cantilever beam should not be more than, in residential building, 3 feet. If you want to extend this, so you need a structural engineer to give you the structural design. So you should hire the structural engineer, especially for cantilever beam, because you are not able to know about the diameter and size, etc. Next, exterior wall of residential building should not be less than 9 inches or full brick. So here in Pakistan, we are using the size of brick 9 inches, 4.5 inches by 3 inches. Okay. So therefore, guys, the 9 inches the length of the brick. So therefore, don't use half brick or 4.5 inch, but the exterior wall should not be less than 9 inches. Guys, this is a short video, but very important for you people to know about these 10 basic civil engineering knowledge which I have discussed in the front of you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.